Today we are going to talk about the HYCHIKA Mini Circular Saw, a compact saw that's surprisingly powerful. What I love is how easy it is to control with one hand. As a right-handed user, I get full visibility of the blade while cutting. With a typical circular saw, it's on the other side, which makes it harder to see. The exhaust vent keeps it cool and clears dust while you work. This saw is perfect for cutting sheet goods. Let's get started. It handles cross easily. The cuts are accurate and smooth with zero struggle. Even on deeper cuts, it keeps the power going. Just grab a block and start. It works really well. Measure, cut, repeat. This saw is built for speed and precision. At this price point, it's a great buy. Highly recommend it.